Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. So in this video we are going to learn a beautiful lesson. All of us the learn person, but still we are making ourselves fool. So we know very well that maximum eating of oil can spoil our health, but still we are eating much oil. And also the outside food, exactly we don't know. Anyhow the taste comes, but we don't know either that food is healthy or not, how much they are mixing. So but we are educated, we are learned, but still we get the food from outside and we eat and we spoil our health. So maximum things we know very well. So see the watching of mobile phone much, that one also in night time, and also maximum things, so it can harm us, but still we know very well, we learn, but still we are doing that one. So in this story, so very great lesson is there. So there are four friends, there are four persons. So among these four persons, three of them are doctors. They are doctors, they are learned, but they are not wise. So fourth one is not a doctor, but he is wise and intelligent. These four friends were going near the forest. So they saw a lion dead body, a tiger dead body. So three of them, those who are doctors, they told that let's give the life to this lion. Fourth person, who was wise and intelligent, told them that don't do this thing, don't do this thing. So all three persons laughed at him and told him that no, we will give him life. So these intelligent and wise person told that, okay, you do whatever you want, so give me some time. So that fourth, who is wise and intelligent, he climbed up one tall tree. So from these three doctors, so one of them told that I will make the bones, I will set the bones, I will make the bones properly. So now one doctor, one man set the bones, and second one told that I will stitch the wounds, wherever the wounds are there, I will stitch it. So second one, he stitched the wounds, and third one told that I will give the breath in heart. So that third one gave the breath to the heart. Now that lion alive and attack upon these three persons and that lion killed them. So that fourth friend, who is intelligent and wise, he climbed up a long tree. So that lion killed them and went away. That fourth clever friend came down and went to the house. So in this story, number of moral things are there. So maximum time, such as very big showrooms, same cloth, same food item, same thing is there. So we are purchasing costly. If same item If we go to a common market, we can get much benefits, but we feel we feel proud to go to shopping malls and big malls. We are learn. So the teaching teaches us compare the two things. So you are going to buy the one shirt. The shirt cost is 1,000 rupees, but in malls, in that places they are selling in 2,000 rupees. So you are telling that no, some quality, something only they are putting their tax only. So we are learn, but we are making fool ourselves. If you go and say, "Arey, these things don't do it," so they will tell you that you are the fool. We have the money and we wear always one brand cloth. Some in quality some difference is there, then no problem. Maximum in food items in our daily in for thousands of electricity items. So we are purchasing very costly. So if our relatives, our husband, our brothers and sister and our friends stop us, so we tell that, oh, these persons are jealousy, they are stopping us. That is not a matter. Very learned persons. So they know everything. Even some of them, they teach us how to sell and how to purchase in the market. But in their life, what happens? They become the fool. So my dear friends, in this story, so what is going on? We are wasting our time. We are wasting our valuable wealth. Once we have the wealth, what we are doing? Picnics. What we are doing? We are enjoying. And once we don't have the money and if some problems comes, so we have to pay some huge amount in fees, some huge amount in the hospital. At that time we are searching our relatives and friends, and we are telling that any relative person, any friend is not helping us. We are spending our wealth unnecessarily, and we are blaming that there is no relation, there is no relatives are good, there is no friends are good. So this is absolutely wrong. So open the eyes. When we are the learned person, we got some knowledge, so we should compare and then we should purchase. Thank you for watching my videos. Please suggest and comment me, and please remember me in your dua. Thank you very much.